Alright, what's the matter, Rozelle?
Nothing.
Nah. When you drink, you're the big talker. You ain't talking, you ain't right. This isn't about what I saw in the paper, is it?
I ain't scared of that goddamn biggie. I ain't scared of nothing, you hear? Nothing.
Rain's taken most of it. Tracks, prints, half the scene's gone. Dogs can't pick up any scent. You know, the Vic took the same route from Murphy's every Friday night. Got mouthy after a few, walked it off, and went home to the missus. Perfect spot for a mugging. Dark, quiet, predictable.
Or someone wanted it to look like a mugging. Look at the spread. Tight pattern. Highly controlled. Not something a common criminal would do. Happened in bursts. They came in close. Put one right through the head. That's not panic. That's precision.
You think this is professional?
I know it is. Both 45, sure. But different rounds, different story. These here, ragged. Close together. That's auto fire. Thompson, 50 round. No soot, so you know they kept their distance. With this one, headshot, close range with powder burn. That one's personal. That one says, make sure he's done. It wasn't just two hands on the trigger. It was the team. Tommy cut him down from afar. That's Ben A's trademark. He likes the noise, crowd control. Then someone else was involved to finish the job. Clinical, hands-on, and who'd put on the close work. Someone who likes making it final. This is Facility's work. Neat, brutal. He likes the blood where you can see it. He likes delivering the fatal shot.
Big E sends his regards.
I'm betting there were at least 3 involved. Shooter on the rim, the mop-up with the 45s, and someone on the lookout.
3? You think they had a lookout?
Always. You don't run a job like this without a watch. But Big E, he knows how this all works. He wouldn't be seen near any of this. He doesn't need to get mud on his soles. He'll send his hands in to do the dirty work while he lights a cigar.
Maybe you're right. But without the casings or prints, it's still a story we can't prove. The only witnesses left are the trees and the wind.
Well, let's start the questioning.
And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain.
How's our friend?
He won't speak no more.
You made it look like the streets had it say, like you asked.
The street's a loud storyteller. Any eyes and ears? Just the trees.
And the wind.
You did good, boys. You always do. Salute. Salute.